put on our YouTube. Okay. So this is your outside end cap. Okay, so you're gonna go up, that for the backing with this T-square. It's really good to use. Put it right there. Fill it up to that mark, to this mark. They use a perfect 90. Cut it right there. Leave it right here for yourself. You have it for later. Take these yellows, reds, cut it like this. One snip there, one snip there, that's all. Then the back. And I'll cut this right off, okay? I use this, straight down. Shoot that straight down, see? Just like that. Same thing over here. That's done. Use your utility knife. Cut the back of it. That's it. One shot. Cut it down. Nice. Then, take your shears. Go this way. Cut right there. Straight. Then, take this. I like to go in the middle. Shoot down the middle. Just like that. Just do a little twirl. Then come over here. So you take this. See where this is going? You want to connect right to the edge, okay? It's right off. Now, take the left. It says right on it. See it? Find your left end cap. It says L on it. Bring it over here. Put it on this. So, I like to give it a little tap. Shoot this. Go back. Sorry. Sometimes get a little tricky, but give it a tap always. Apply pressure to it. Give it a little tap. Then give it a little tap on the bottom. These are good. These are called end cap crimpers. Good to invest in. Here. That. One more right here. Now, one more step to this. Like that. And you look, see it. You see it's all the way down, crimped all the way around. Actually, now, last step, you want to take your caulking, and a little Captain rag. Alright. Go right here. Right to corners I like to do here. All the way up. Boom. Nice big bead. Bottom. Top. Pretty much just follow the contour of their end cap. Also, this is really good to have. Some simple green. It's called simple green. You can invest in. Doesn't get on your hands. Very biodegradable. Give it a little spray like that. That. You like that. Shoot it out. You like this. Shoot it out. Like this. Shoot it out. There you go. That's the completed end cap website. Okay. Now, you want to take your hangers.